The key to holding your guitar is finding a nice, comfortable chair to sit in, preferably one that doesn't have arms, because the arms on chairs tend to constrict your movement and they get in the way when you're playing. You want to also have a nice, relaxed posture because your back can get tense after a while and your arms can get tense. So you want to make sure that you have a very comfortable posture. So pick up your guitar and bring it in close to your body. Your guitar should rest against your stomach. And with your right arm, you're going to bring that over, and your bicep should be resting on the back of the body of the guitar. So your arm is kind of loose like this, your bicep is resting on the back of the body of the guitar. Your left hand, bring that in and just kind of wrap it around the neck. You can bring your thumb over like this, or some people, depending on what you're playing, whether it's chords or scales, you might have your thumb pressed into the back of the neck of the guitar. But just kind of hold onto the neck like this. Make sure that your feet are pretty flat and firmly planted on the ground, and then just make sure that your posture is pretty relaxed. You don't want to have a really straight posture because that can get tiring after a while, but just kind of make sure that you have a nice relaxed sitting position.